Hey everyone! Welcome once again to the Gourmet Studio. Today, let's learn a quick breakfast recipe. Sooji Dosa is a thin crispy crepe made from Sooji or semolina as the base ingredient. Unlike other dosas, it doesn't require to be fermented overnight and can be prepared instantly in less than 20 minutes. So let's get started and make your breakfast even more delicious and enjoyable. Let the cooking begin. In a bowl, let's take 2 cups of semolina or Sooji. If we are using 2 parts of Sooji, then we need to use 1 part of curd. So we'll be using 1 cup of curd here. 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, half an inch shredded ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, and half a cup of chopped capsicum. Now let's mix all these ingredients together. Mix, mix, mix. Let's add in half a cup of water and mix again. Let's add in some salt as per taste. Now let's grind all these ingredients together and add 1 onion. Grind again and keep this mixture aside in a bowl for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's add in some ENO. You'll see a few bubbles coming up. Let's mix this again. Add in some more water if required to achieve dosa batter like consistency. Now our dosa batter is ready. Take a non-stick pan and heat it for 2 minutes. Once it is hot, pour a spoonful of batter and spread into dosa-like shape, forming concentric circles outwards. Add some ghee on the sides and top of the dosa. Turn the flame to high when you're doing this. Wait until the lower surface starts to turn brown. After a minute or so, your dosa will be ready. Repeat this process to make more delicious dosas. You can now serve with coconut chutney or tomato chutney. Isn't it so simple? It also looks so amazing. So do try this recipe and let us know how it turns out. Also, most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Gourmet Studio. Until next time.